So you want to find some more resources for the Ck12 activities that I've given you. From your Google Classroom, and you're under classwork, right now we're doing right triangle trig. And if you click on the Ck12 right triangle trig link that I've provided, it's going to bring you to their website. And at the very top, you're going to see the activity that I want you to do, and it's going to say practice, and it says to, keep practicing. It gives you how many you got correct and everything. But down below are the notes, you will, or resources that I've given you, and you can read. Usually there's a read option, there might be a video option, then there's some activities or simulations of the concepts that we're working with. So you can choose either one of these. The read option will tend to look a bit like a textbook, where notes that I might give you, there might be a video within those notes that you can use, but it gives you all the notes and resources that you might need from that perspective. Now, the video, another resource, but it's less text. It's just going to give you the video and straightforward. And sometimes those videos are good. Sometimes you may want to go back and do the read part. But if you're looking for more resources, didn't do well on the practice, you can always go back to one of these and check it out. Let me know if you need help.